But people forget about you after you get married. Maybe things have changed. It's been 12 years. But when I just gotten married, now people had begun to subsume me under him, which was always my worry. I was like, are they going to think that I don't have an identity of my own? And that actually happened.
Could you give us an example?
I got an invite for something from a colleague of mine,
Right.
saying Mr. and Mrs. Siddharth Roy Kapoor.
Ooh.
And I was like, boo. Yeah. I love my man, but I don't want to be subsumed under him.
Right.
Yeah.
And I just think if it was the reverse, I would have been okay, but no one was doing. So he would at times, I would get agitated about things and he'd tell me, but it doesn't matter. You know who you are, and you and I are individuals and we are in this together. So
Right.
I think he would hear me out when I'd rant, and I think that made all the difference.
That made
So
the
he wasn't
difference.
judging me and saying, how can you feel like this? After all, we're husband and wife and all that shit.
He sounds like a nice, very nice guy. Because like when my wife gets invites from her friends saying Mr. and Mrs. Ronak Rajani, I'm just like, yeah. Your husband sounds like a very nice guy. See, the thing is, on the face of nuance, I understand that it is offensive for her. But because she's angry, it's funny. In the sense, can I tell you what happens? So if we come to her mother's house, okay, and if we show up, her staff would just come with a glass of cold water for me, and I would see that she's visibly pissed, and I would know that this is wrong, and the thing is, out here, I know in my heart, I know I want to say sir aap inko do, but in my head I'm like, it's so funny.
I like that we always say mother's house and Micah and all that.
Yeah.
Right. It is her mom's house because I know the status that I hold and her father holds in society.
Good one! Love it! My parents' house, there's a security guard who stands below and opens the doors of everyone's cars who drive in. When Siddharth and I go there together, he'll run to open Siddharth's side of the door, not mine. And
Lovely.
Siddharth will be like, Unka darwaza kholiye, and I'm like, I don't need help.
Yeah. Good.
He's like, why are you taking it out on me?
Because I'm married, you bitch.
दिल लगी भी तेरे दिल को दिल लगी न लगे
Pavi, the last time you were on the show, you were talking about how you were single, and the time before that, you were talking about how you were single. And
No, I am in a relationship.
What a reveal!
No, actually, it's I'm a third wheel.
so, what do you mean by third wheel? Like,
So every time I fight the invite, when they're having sex, nobody's inviting me. But it is better than actually dating someone. And I look at men and I just go blank, like it's like nothing is happening inside, say, like.
so you don't want to change your relationship status? That's fine.
Or your preferences.
Yeah.
Okay.
So if you had to describe your type, like 3 things.
Funny, rich, very rich. Yeah. You have anyone from your film industry for?
Oh, I thought you were going to say you have anyone, and I was like, yeah, for a while now.
Where have you been in your relationship status? We all know that you've been married.
Yeah.
How long have you guys been married?
We've been married almost 12 years.
Okay, 12 years. Very nice.
Yeah, but I have to tell you that I never thought I'd get married.
You never thought you'd get married?
Yeah, and then I met Siddharth and I said funny, rich, very rich.
I have a Siddharth Roy Kapoor story. You guys want to hear? Yeah. It's damn cute. Okay, it's my friends and I were sitting at the car court. Okay.
Car court. At the legal court.
At the court, because something, I think what is it called? Rental agreement. Okay. Something.
Yeah, something.
Sure. Okay.
Something.
So both are sitting.
There was just some hatkadis on you.
So both are sitting there, and then he suddenly realized, oh bro, it's Siddharth Roy Kapoor. And then he's walking around with like papers, like legal papers, okay, like 500 rupees stamp paper, okay. So we were all like, wow, Siddharth Roy Kapoor is walking around. And in our heads, we are like, it must be a Vidya Balan contract, you know. He's so nice, you know.
Thank God you weren't at the family court.
And we were like, good. And then she went like, what do you mean so nice? He needs to work. Otherwise, it's Vidya Balan. He's got Vidya Balan as wife, okay? He better fucking get her legal shit done. And we had a full argument about, Anna, how can you say that? He also has his own life. She's like, shut up, it's Vidya Balan. Okay, and my friends are obsessed with her anyway. So then it went too out of hands where we got too loud. And Siddharth Roy Kapoor walking past us saying, what the fuck? As if we look like landlady and tenant. कि मेरे को नहीं दिया तूने deposit वापस. So from then we made sure we never met him. So
Oh, that's why you never met him.
that's why.
How have you been, Subhaki? Where have you been in your relationship status?
See guys, let's start from the beginning. Okay.
You want to see, guys.
Yeah. Yes, and
Only
yeah,
see?
correct. See, guys, see, I think that life has been good till that, you know, because in October 2022, I decided to explore
The apps.
No, explore. Because
Explore.
that's it.
Lovely.
Because I got on the apps and I remember one
So she
app.
went to the rental agreement office.
But I got on the apps, but then the apps, whoever I met, no, they usually come for date and they all ask about Biswa. I don't know why. Biswa Kalyan Rath is a comic, okay? And I don't know. 5 minutes, 10 minutes into it, they're like, how are you? I'm fine, thank you. Wow, you want fries? Okay, cool, cheesy fries and all. Fuck bullshit. Okay, all of a sudden they're like, so then are you good friends with Biswa? I'm like, and I don't know why. I first thought first one was like cute. Second one and third one, I'm like, this is wrong. Right? Something is up. Like, do they want to fuck Biswa? Is that what it is? And then I went on Biswa saying, I don't know why I'm meeting boys who want to know about you. And he's like, engineering boys? I said, yeah. He's like, that's why, babe. So the moment that happened, I'm like, I'm not hitting on apps. Fuck apps, okay? So now I work on deadline. So I told myself, October 2024, you need to stop exploring. Your body needs to be ready for husband. But my best friends are pushing me to go for 1st January 2025. Their side of argument is that, listen, it's winters are coming, boys get sad and lonely.
Holiday.
Holiday, exactly. And
That's the word?
Yeah, that is. So you just date for the holiday
Holidays.
period.
Oh,
Like
lovely.
in America from Thanksgiving up to mid-Jan.
Yeah, so that you can go for all the events with one boy.
Wow, Thanksgiving to Midjan, that's a lot of time. Diwali vacation was only 2 weeks. Hello, my name is Ronak. Hello, my name is Michelle Obama. Thank you for watching this show. Few quick announcements. I am currently on tour with my stand-up solo show called Manchild. This weekend I'm performing in Delhi on the 20th and 21st of April. On the 5th of May, I'm performing in Mumbai at the Sophia's Bhabha Auditorium and I'm recording it as a special for YouTube. I would love for you to come. Tickets are on ronakrajani.in. Other cities I'm performing at are Ahmedabad and Pune on these dates. Now, stop messaging me every single day of my breathing life about, hey Ronak, where is merch? I know you're looking for it. I know it's been discontinued for a while. There's a long story. I got cheated by the previous supplier. I don't want to get into it, but merch is back. Link is in the pinned comment. Link is in the description. I want you to go buy it and buy it for your mother. It's a t-shirt that says stay toxic. Later this week, we'll also have a hoodie. Buy it for your mother, buy it for your grandmother, buy it for your Jijaji's Fufa's mistress. It's me. I'm your Jijaji's Fufa's mistress. We are taping Relationship Advice on the 22nd of May at the Habitat in Mumbai. Tickets link in the pinned comment. Go back and watch your episode.
So their explanation is, don't do it. 3 months, boys are damn sad and lonely. Explore further. then call it off with the New Year.
You will see them with a marriage approach.
Yes.
What is it that the marriage approach entails? Like,
I have recently been told by my very good friend Kenny Sebastian what my type is. It's Alpha Chomu.
Alpha Chomu. That's lovely.
So you mean Kenny?
Kenny's something else. Kenny is going through something else.
Could you give us an example of a person in the mainstream that we would know who is an Alpha Chomu?
Mainstream. Do we know?
Phil from Modern Family?
Yes! Oh my god, yes. Film for Modern Family. What about that Imran Khan from Jaane Tu Ya Jaane Na?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah?
He,
Ross from Friends is Alpha Chomu.
no, Ross from Friends is
from
just
Friends
Chomu.
is not Chomu.
He's so Chomu.
He's just
He's second.
Come on.
But second shot.
He's a great kisser, yeah. He's more like Chummu.
Yeah, Dwight from The Office.
But listen, I'm just keen to ask you, what about Bishwa?
Biswa is married.
Biswa.
Biswa. They all are married. Also, no, comics you can't marry.
You
It's
can't-
too much
she can't
commitment.
marry.
Yeah.
Then they'll steal our
Because
jokes.
they compete with each other.
Do you realize that if she marries Biswa, if she had to marry Biswa at some point, there would be even more questions from.
No, I just thought it's a sign because everyone kept saying Biswa, Biswa.
No, that was just that. But no, not Kenny or Biswa. But Alpha Chomu, I really like the idea because he describes.
Can you explain?
So
Alpha
he
Chomu?
explained in a situation where he's like, Sumo, what will happen is on Thursdays, both of you have decided that you guys will have dinner, okay? And you, motherfucker, have taken a corporate show that day. So
Okay.
he'll call you, he'll be like, babe, where are you? It's Thursday. It's dinner time. Where are you? I'll be like, no, babe, I took a corporate show. No. This is not done. Take a flight right now and come. Okay? Dosa batter is fermenting.
Oh, so your husband doesn't know which city you're in right now?
No, he doesn't know. Because he's Chomu. He's so alpha, but he doesn't know where I am. I'm in Belgium. Belgium corporate shows I'm doing.
Yeah, correct.
Yeah. And I liked this. When he described this, I was like, oh my god, I want this boy. I was very happy to hear this. Fuck you, Ronak, okay?
So
People have their flaws.
I still don't know who's got the flaw. Is it the Alpha Chomu or is it you?
I was saying my film is releasing in theaters on the 19th of April.
That's
you know.
crazy!
Do you guys mind if we talk for a minute about the movie? It's important that we talk about it. Otherwise, Vidya will never come again. Okay. So the movie's coming out on 19th April. You said.
It's called Do Aur Do Pyar.
Woo! Now you know how I managed to get her on my show. Do Aur Do Pyar. There's a poster. I saw the poster. The poster's got like two couples together on a bed. What can you explain to us what the
What
hell
an
it's about?
uncle, dude, you are.
Yo, I was very upset. I tore the poster. Yeah, sorry. Please.
So,
please.
the Do Aur Do Pyar.
Do Aur Do Pyar is a rom-com. It's fun. It's entertaining. It's got great music and it's about a couple
Huh?
and their do or do.
Got it.
Pyar. Why is it not char?
Right, correct. So
Why is it not char? Anyway.
To find
could
out.
I ask a question? Follow?
Yeah, sure.
Are you saying they're cheating? Is that
Yeah, they are.
disgusting?
I'm so glad this movie is coming before October 2024.
Okay. Do you guys want to start the questions? Is that
Yeah.
Absolutely.
yes? Vidya, would you want to read the first one?
Sure.
Perfect.
I've got big font. I'm 45. I can't read without glasses.
What?
Shut up. What?
You're so fake. What? Oh, I'm a 26-year-old female dating a 29-year-old male. I just don't get along with him anymore. It's complicated. I've grown a lot as a person and he has not. In what way? Beyond a certain age, they can't grow.
Wow. Mr. Sid, we know a lot about you now.
We've been together 5 years, and one thing we both knew since the start is that we never want marriage and we hate kids. So to get him to break up with me, I told him I see myself settling down and I want children too.
To get him to break up with her.
Yeah.
Oh, lovely. That's a great way to do it. Yeah.
And he sobbed uncontrollably and went home. I thought it was over, but he drove back home with a ring.
Arey yaar.
How cute.
It's cute for a third person.
Just saying, guys, this guy's an alpha chomo.
Listen to this. I thought it was over, but he drove back home with a ring and said even though he never really wanted any such thing, he'll do anything to keep me with him. I accepted the ring. I'm engaged. How do I get out of it? Just sell the ring.
Yeah.
And then you'll know whether it's real or fake also.
This is what Zepto Pay is ordering.
So she knows that the USP of them being together is that, hey, you and I are always and forever going to live childless. And then she was like, oh, मैं आज सटकेली हूँ. मेरे को बच्चा चाहिए.
Suddenly, why she Sanju Baba? Satkeli hu.
I'm more of a lage rao munna bhai guy, so. But just if I may say something in his defense, it's very sweet that he was like,
it is very
Yeah, 100%.
okay, तेरे को चाहिए तो कर लेंगे यार. So we all have established right now that the reason why she wants to just break up and still also be not the bad person.
Yeah.
Which is a relatable feeling.
Yeah.
Yes.
Even though ethically it's grey, we can all relate to it.
Yeah.
Because everybody wants to win a breakup and the mutual friends में bitching start हो जाती है तो you want to be the person everyone is like
Correct.
and then with them they're like वो गांडू उसको छोड़ना ही चाहिए था 3 साल पहले छोड़ना चाहिए था अभी क्यों जाके this.
Yeah.
Have you guys ever done something that has made your that you know that you want to make your partner to break up with you?
No, I'm too impatient. I'm like, khatam karo. I can't wait for, huh?
Your self-worth, that's the problem. Not like me.
Have you ever done anything, Subuki, where you know that you don't want to break up, but you want to convince this person to break up with you?
No, I haven't done it. Thankfully, he's anyway stupid. Okay. So
Right.
he was anyway cheating. Okay.
He was a serial cheater.
Yeah, serial cheater. Okay.
Serial
The serial cheater, he was fully cheating, and I was like, "Tune cheating?" And then I'm like, "Oh, it's cool. Okay, cool. Love you." Okay, because as I aforementioned, no self-worth. Okay. So then, when I was closer to breaking up with him, I'm like, I really need to break up with him, and bastard stopped cheating right then, dude. It was 2 years. The fucker's just not cheating only.
What if he got really good at cheating and you're not?
No, that's impossible.
figure it out.
Because their phone passwords are the worst. Boys are so good at so many things. Their phone password is still 0000.
You want to guess?
What the fuck? How did you all find out?
But 1 minute, you were in the relationship for 2 years after he stopped cheating.
No.
He cheated for 2 years.
He cheated for 10 years. Vidya, wait, that's not the question.
No, I'm not judging you.
No, you must. Vidya's time.
She lost interest as soon as he stopped cheating on her.
Oh, is
God,
that
was
it?
that the case? No. I lost interest.
That was the case.
No, fuck you, dude. Was that
Because
the case?
this happens, no? When they're cheating, they're trying to overcompensate.
Yeah.
So they're being extra loving. They're
Yeah.
giving you gifts. They're remembering all the dates. They're doing everything in the capacity to hide. And then you're like, damn, this is what I wanted.
He wasn't even doing that, Pavitra.
But Pavi, you have some solid insight, huh?
Third wheel, bro. सब मालूम है अपन को. हम हर जगह जाके.
No. Next time Hannah and I fight, I'm calling you first thing. But Sumuki, your problem was too interesting. I forgot the main question.
So I'll tell you what.
Yeah, could you
Huh.
please?
The girl felt that both of them have grown apart, but she doesn't want to break up with him. And they had decided they never want to have kids. They don't even want to get married. So she decided that instead of breaking up with him, she'll tell him that I want to now get married, that my priorities have changed, I want to have children. And he went home crying but came back with a ring.
Lovely.
What if we planned everything? They should get.
अबे वो लिख रही है ये और हम लोग को भी manipulate करेगी. She's trying to fuck with everybody here.
Okay, so I understand where she's coming from, but this ring is too much, I feel. He went off to buy ring.
And
was
in the middle of the night now.
unnecessary.
No. I'm wondering where he got it from. Maybe he has a ready ring for all the women in his life. Keep
Went to
going
his-
to,
Went to his grandmother's bedroom.
yeah.
Daddy, I think it's time. I need to.
Yeah.
Cause वो बेचारी सो रही थी.
और इसने तिजोरी की चाबी ले ली.
And her husband has died long back. Suddenly someone's holding her hand in the middle of the night. She has a wet dream.
It's her grandson.
वापस आ गए.
Guys, I feel like she should just do the kind thing and vanish.
She should ghost him.
Yeah, she should just AWOL. Go AWOL.
Yeah.
क्या बोल रहा है?
She can tell him that she cannot have kids.
And she
She's
wants, but
so she's saying that she's unable to have kids.
but no, I cannot have, so I'm
No.
having the neighbor's kid.
Sorry, it'll only work if she says to him, "You cannot have kids," and then punches him.
She should tell him ऐसे कैसे suddenly तुझ में पपता आ गया कि मैं करूँगा.
पपता?
Yeah.
So I can't depend on you.
Yeah,
तुम
I can't
ऐसे
depend
फिसल
on you.
गए.
Exactly.
No, but I think that's a great thing she can say though. She can say, "Oh, that means the child is a compromise, so he will grow up being treated like a compromise." And
But once again, all of us have been compromises only for our
that's what,
parents.
And he
Your
will-
parents love you or what, Ronak? Shut up.
See the more.
don't get personal, okay?
But I want to tell you, it just struck me. I got an idea. So she can tell him what he said, that I want kids, I can't have kids, I want you to have.
I want you to have.
Oh, that करता है.
want
Oh,
you
you
to-
चोरी चोरी चुपके चुपके.
Yeah, I want to mother your kids with
Yeah.
someone else.
That's the solution.
And then get her to fuss out him.
Yeah.
And then just.
And then leave.
Then culti.
Saranga Singh.
Sir.
Fucking Vidya, dude, killed it.
Oh!
Lovely. We solved this. We solved
Yeah.
this.
We solved it.
All this.
Okay, basically
That's why I feel that Hindi films have the answers to everything.
Everything. I'm 31M. Not me, that boy. I had been in
Yeah,
three
yeah.
serious relationships until now.
How many? Three.
Until now, but I still haven't gotten disillusioned by the heartbreaks. Bada
Oh.
self-aware hai.
Lovely.
I'm a little attracted. I still want love, only my attitude has changed a bit.
Oh no.
Okay. I just no longer have the patience to court women like I did in my 20s. That doesn't mean I'm not respectful and loving. I just feel like if I will wear shorts, t-shirts and Crocs after 4 months of dating anyway, then what's the point of wearing fancy shirts and sneakers on the first few dates?
What is happening to this boy?
Gareeb hai. So he's definitely not the one for you.
I'm noticing that women seem to be unhappy with this clarity attitude of mine.
Wait. So so is he insinuating कि now that I'm no longer in my 20s, I just wear Crocs to dates?
Yeah, he
Crocs
wants
and shorts.
to. He doesn't want
Bro,
to.
I love
do
this
her.
guy.
He doesn't want to do the foreplay only in dating.
Gone. No
Yeah.
orgasm. Bye.
No orgasm, exactly.
Go. I mean, yes, but
Yeah.
oh, I see it. I see your stare. I get it.
No, you enjoy
There
life,
is
bro.
more, guys. In fact, on one date, I even told one girl that I wouldn't have cared if she too hadn't even done her upper lip. But instead, she got offended and left. How dare she? Taking offense to her offense. Oh, he has asked the right question though. How do I articulate my uncomplicated nature to women sensitively?
Ooh. So
Firstly, he has to behave like the woman doesn't have upper lip hair.
Yeah.
Yeah, he needs to learn that.
Yeah, we have. You know, my father
don't have
has a
upper
nice
lip hair.
I
mustache.
have lower lip hair also, guys.
One of you, can you please check what is disillusion? Google it.
Like you
please.
lose faith. And I think he's highly disillusioned because he doesn't want to make the effort to dress up.
correct. Oh, you think he's disillusioned?
I actually think he is. He's like, Ab, just accept me the way
Yeah.
I am.
But,
But
in the
in
snap,
his-
तो you
okay,
have
okay.
to like थोड़ा फंसाओ no someone ऐसे.
I think it's
show
because-
real self then.
So, but he's saying ना that's my clarity attitude. I know that मैं फंसाऊंगा फिर मैं तेरे को बताऊंगा कि actually ये shirt भाड़े की है and मैं तो रूपा पहनता हूँ, right?
First of all, he had 3 breakups, and now he's trying to convince us that he's not bitter by sending us 3 paragraph
Yeah.
of Joey English that he
Yeah.
has done. He has used thesaurus everywhere.
can I tell?
He's very like मेरे को कुछ नहीं करने का, उसको आने का, उसको आने. What is this? What is this?
Okay, one second.
Sorry,
Can I just ask you, as a man who does not know the nuance of these things, could I ask you, is it mean to tell a woman that, hey, you have upper lip, it's normal only, dude, it's okay? Is that mean?
Even before you started,
It's mean or what?
even before you started the question, I nodded. Yes, it's wrong.
It's
Don't
mean
do
or
it.
what?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
I
I
just
tell her
don't
what I do to my
agree. I
wife or what? So sometimes when like she's not done upper lip yet, I do this to her.
What a fucker!
I was like, Sanjay Leela Bhansali might cast you. But I do it because it's funny. I know she has upper lip hair, and sometimes maybe
No, but
something
that's
about
because
me.
you have already been together for many, many years.
Yeah,
Correct.
Right? She didn't come with Frida Kahlo Muchi.
To be very fair,
First date mein you would do this to a woman. You
Talk
would touch
would.
her
One
without her
minute, you're
permission.
very lucky
Yeah,
that
that's
you've
what I'm
gotten
saying.
this far.
Yeah.
You think nobody knows that?
I'll pull his upper lip hair if he tells me something like this.
No,
But I
not
would say-
upper lip hair.
Upper lip hair.
He'll enjoy if I go somewhere else.
I would say, I feel like this guy's sounding a little pretentious, but he does have some sort of honesty where he's like, क्या फायदा मैं भी शर्ट पहनूं, तू भी ड्रेस पहने, कुछ भी करते हैं, मैं यहाँ पे बगल में बाल रखता हूँ.
तुम आके चोटी बांध दो यार, क्या
Yeah.
ऐसी बात है यार.
He's like, let's just be animals, bro. I think that's.
What is this bagal mein choti? It's like
Bagal mein choti, dude.
niche hair is Parul Gulat is coming out with like wigs for sides also now like now in all color.
I just feel like there's some substance to what this man is saying. I don't disagree with him. Do you?
There is, I understand if he does this in like 5th, 6th conversation. Starting me.
But that's what he's saying. He's saying if we might as well do it in the 5th conversation, let's just do it in the first
See,
one and
it's
get
so
rid.
Why go? पहले मिलते ही शादी कर लो ना. Why go through the
Exactly.
process?
Yeah.
मिलते ही सिंदूर डालो.
That's all. Meet off, marry off. That's all.
Well, that's how my parents got married anyway.
And it worked, you guys.
That's what they think.
But this guy with his, this single quotes with that clarity attitude,
Yeah.
his pompousness is bothering.
Yeah, you know,
Exactly.
I think he thinks no end of himself.
Yeah.
Yeah. But he's also
Putting
covering
effort.
saying मैं पिछले 3 बार lazy नहीं था, अब lazy हुआ हूँ.
So he's saying कि दिल तो टूटना ही है तो क्रॉक्स पहन के टुटवा लेता हूँ. Like why?
Could you explain
It's
to me,
pompous.
a man who agrees with him?
No one's going to put
number
up
of
their
times.
hands now.
That's fine, that's
After
fine.
all that we've
Could I
said.
ask you why it is important to do the dance, even though? Okay, yeah, please.
Yeah.
See, that is fine. ये सही है.
See, but that's what he's saying. I'm not tired.
But then he's not wearing clothes.
Exactly. See, no, you're right.
Yeah, you know what? He might as well come naked because one time though they'll have sex.
Yeah, exactly. Exactly.
Single anyway, na? He's not getting girls because नहीं चाहिए किसी को ऐसा.
Isn't there a possibility that he may put himself up to be like, hey, is there any woman who wants to fix me?
Oh God, yeah.
Actually, when you put it like
if
that-
he needs to be fixed, call Urban Clap. This is
Yeah.
done.
But
Yeah.
I like fixing boys. मेरे को
पवित्रा।
अच्छा लगता है. थोड़ा ऐसे my OCD
अपने
feels very
दोस्तों के लिए कर रही हो ना?
satisfied. अभी
हाँ।
पवित्रा
पवित्र
के लिए-
you don't have to fix it. तेरे को घिसना पड़ेगा इसको. ये ना नहीं रहा है दोस्त. नहीं, not in that way.
Imagine
Shower
if the
together.
reason he's saying he wants to come in shorts and Crocs is because he doesn't bathe.
Did he say that? Did he say he doesn't bathe?
I feel like he doesn't wash his hair also.
Are we at this point assuming that because it's Crocs, वो स्नान नहीं करता है?
The thing is, I feel if you're coming in that outfit and avatar, you have to have a bomb of a personality.
Nice.
Like if
Right.
Shah Rukh
Like you
comes
have to be
this on a
Siddharth
date-
Roy Kapoor with stamp paper.
Yeah, with stamp paper. Then I will open
Right.
and be like, stamp here also on heart. This side. I did this right side. I'm a biomedical student, guys, and I didn't know which side heart is. But इसलिए टूट ही नहीं रहा है मेरा. गलत जगह गैस हो रहा है मुझे हर बार. मेरे को लग रहा है हार्ट ब्रेक.
Pavi, since you said that you are you see an
Yeah.
appeal in fixing a man, could you explain
Yeah.
to me what the appeal is?
Because it's like you see that progress chart, no, of that person. You feel like, you know, and you see other people praising and you're like, ये मेरा बच्चा देखो. मैंने रोज homework करवाया, उसको exam
So basically, you're Amir Khan from Tare Zameen Par.
Yeah.
Or she is that surrogate we were talking about.
Yes.
Oh my god. Your Preeti Zinta from Chori. Okay, cool, got it.
Yeah, that is
I'm too young.
Ayo. That is the correct reference song for
I'm
me.
too young for this.
Oh my god.
But I watched all your movies. I don't know.
I've only been doing films for about 5 years.
You all don't see appeal in fixing men, right?
No.
Okay,
No,
could I ask the two of you, what is the non-appeal in fixing men?
Your question to us is why? What is the lack of appeal in fixing men? Like, why don't we want to fix men?
Just do it, yeah. What's the big deal?
Like you
Yeah?
have to do it for
Hey,
the
Alpha Chubu!
Sorry, Sumukhi.
Fucking Ronak, dude. Too late, yeah, too late.
1 second. I तो want to fix them for the next woman he will be with or next man. Like,
What is wrong with you?
तो मुझे अच्छा लगता है कि जो दुआएं मिलेगी मुझे. It's like true dua.
So you're a fixer.
Yeah.
Listen, this guy cannot be fixed also is because he's coming with very like, tu kya kar legi attitude. He's not ready only to be fixed or anything. He's come to piss everyone off. Because he's like,
Maybe you want to
dunya.
start from zero.
Where are
Who
you?
is this?
God?
Okay. Who are you? Put your hand up. That's all the way at the back. He stood up.
stood
also.
up, dude.
This nice guy. This is not film companion, bro. Just you sit and talk.
Maybe he wants to start from zero. He don't want to put in any effort because he does not know her. And as he knows her, he wants to start putting in effort.
I think that's very sweet, bro. That's
Yeah.
absolutely true. It's like
You're single or what?
it's like
I think that's what it is. You're a nice guy, so you're looking at him with rose-tinted glasses.
Maybe he also is looking for someone who doesn't shower or anything. So then that's like compatible.
he's just not found the right person.
Yeah, he wants
Right.
someone who also wears Crocs and doesn't take a shower.
This is an environment-friendly couple. I like it.
Yeah.
May I just say, at
Say
no
what?
point has he said he doesn't take a shower.
But he's giving us that vibe, yeah.
You can already see him not showering and going,
Yeah, this boy is Sunday as a person, you know. It's like
Okay, now-
I have to tell you, I was on a film on which the director wore the same pair of shorts for 42 days because he was superstitious.
no.
And did this
Actually, I didn't notice because I wasn't looking.
But wait, can I ask you something?
But I heard. Huh.
So he must have thought these are his lucky shots, and the movie will go well if I wear these shorts.
Yeah. The film bombed. Okay, let's carry on.
You didn't happen to mention the name or anything.
Actually, I've forgotten.
good one.
Wanted to.
I'm saying he should approach newly broken up women who are already in that phase of
Everyone should.
seeing men with bacha.
Yeah.
He should be the rebound and then maybe.
But then shoulder to cry on. I mean, it's wearing ganji and coming. Then it's just what she'll wipe.
And Bagal Kabal.
Bagal kabal. She's wiping with bagal kabal.
These women shouldn't be people who are looking for a fresh start. These people are already. Oh, that
Transit.
fella, it is-
Oh.
Yeah.
Not fresh, just stinky.
That's his Bumble bio, dude. Not fresh, just stinky. That's what he should be writing as his bio.
Okay, can I just ask y'all, since we all have some or the other experience in a relationship.
I told you, my parents. Yeah, they are my.
Or we have seen people in relationships. Could I say that it is true that once you start like when you start dating, you are courting each other, as this guy used the
Yeah.
word courting.
Courting.
Right? You are trying to dress a certain way, you're trying to be a certain way, but then you all get comfortable,
Yeah.
right? Does it happens to everyone?
Yeah,
This
of
happens
course.
in friendships also, by the way. You don't have to be in a relationship to do that.
When there's no relationship,
See-
you end up saying that.
So now that we have all, you can agree too, right? At some point, you all do let your guard down. You all start farting around each other. Yeah, even I don't. Yeah.
Please, my stomach is a wonderland.
So, is it true that you always have to start with the quoting, even though everybody knows that this is just a dance and this is not the real thing?
अरे but that's the fun, no? कि oh
Yeah,
उसने शर्ट
this is-
पहना, मैंने टॉप पहना, oh my
Yeah,
god.
like-
फिर मैं अपने बेस्ट फ्रेंड को जाके क्या बोलूंगी? Exactly.
put
Just
an
buy a
effort into
perfume.
you.
Just the Baba नहीं बन
Yeah,
रहा
that's
bro.
like one theorem you're solving. Directly you're writing LHS equal to RHS. You're not writing only steps. What a KLP
Give it up.
maths teacher.
Very cool.
I'm an engineer, guys. By the way, Biswa is your good friend, no?
ये दिल लगी भी तेरे दिल को दिल लगी न लगे
Wait. Hold on. We already mentioned this once. We're just going to talk about it one more time. The movie's on 19th April. Vidya, do you want to talk about it?
Yeah, I'm saying ये सब ठीक है. 19th April को टिकट खरीद के थिएटर में आके फिल्म जरूर देखना. You'll get answers to all these things in the film. I assure you.
And their director changed their shots every day. So it's pakka hit.
Yes.
The movie's name?
दो और दो प्यार.
Do you want to be my wing woman, please? Oh my god, it's wing woman. Hey, doesn't. No, she has no time. It's okay. It's fine.
Yeah, because that's the only
Yeah.
reason why. By the way, मैंने already पहले ask out किया है तो line में आ जा.
चल ठीक है डन. पवित्रा को तो मैं वैसे भी हटा दूंगी.
I'm married, whatever.
Sure.
Is that a good thing?
It's a great thing. Her staff treats me great.